Hi, it's Cedric here. Let me introduce you to my embarrassing child. I've never put him on camera before. Every family has a black sheep, and Harry's the hidden black sheep in our family. So why am I embarrassed? Because he's the size of a pork barrel. Now, there is an excuse. I know there's always an excuse. But before we get to the excuse, we've got 9 dogs and none of them are overweight, except for Harry. And as I said, there is an excuse or a reason. So of all our dogs, and Harry's about 9, he's a rescue. Of all our dogs, he's the most vulnerable to having a shorter life expectancy. With his weight, he's more susceptible to arthritis. He's more susceptible to cancer, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and many other diseases. And being serious for a sec, I'm well and truly aware of that. And Harry's problem is he's a rescue, as I said. He came to me as a 6-week-old puppy, and the owners had gone away for the weekend, and Harry had been purchased, and he was put in a cage with an older dog, and the older dog absolutely hammered him, and he was brought in to be euthanized. And I really couldn't see the point in euthanizing a really happy, healthy baby puppy, and his shoulder blade was smashed. And so Harry always limps. He can't run, he can't exercise. He's got a really good quality of life. You can see he's nervous with the camera, of course, but he's really happy and all sorts of things like that. So it's because we have 9 dogs and feeding is like there's a buffet on all the time, he overindulges and under-exercises, and therefore we have a weight issue. Now, we do put him on a diet occasionally and try and get some weight off, but it doesn't last very long, and it's just our lifestyle. As I said, it is an excuse. It's not really an acceptable one, but it is what it is. I take his blood pressure regularly. I monitor him for signs of arthritis. I check his blood sugar levels for diabetes, and aside from the weight, he's a super healthy, happy dog. But if I was doing my job for Harry properly, I'd be getting some weight off him and keeping it off. But Harry's here as a character in our movie, just to show you the dangers, or to discuss with you the dangers of obesity. Now, those dangers increase over 7 years of age. And so if you've got a pet who has, put on a little bit of weight over the COVID last 12 months, or just because he or she is getting older, then bring him or her in to see me. We'll do a thorough health check. Don't run away, Harry. We'll do a thorough health check, put your pet on a diet, get some kilos off. And there's been recent studies and they studied 56,000 dogs, and they showed that for a Maltese to be moderately overweight, there was only about 6 months less in life expectancy. For a German Shepherd, a larger dog, to be overweight, there was 3 years less in life expectancy. So obesity is a huge player in the longevity stakes. So it's really important to get weight off your pet. If you've got a pet over 7 years of age, come in and see me at least once a year, and we'll get everything under control. If your pet is over 10 years of age, then you need to come and see me twice a year to maintain a healthy perspective on life and maximize your pet's longevity. See you on the next video.